But like you said, it even the systems is amazing. It's far more efficient than traditional HVAC systems, but it's not a miracle. You still have to have properly insulated homes and like sealed windows and all that. So you, like you talked about these glass boxes that you have had to deal with. That's a challenge because there's so much. They have terrible R values, these glass boxes, and there's so much heat coming in throughout the summer, and it's a challenge to condition spaces like that. And it's like the panel is going to be extremely efficient if your home is extremely efficient. So your
That
walls still have to have good insulation, your windows have to be properly sealed. This is just another way to make your home even more efficient.
absolutely. And there are other challenges in the building the industry right now for home is the space. Those high ceiling and they don't want to give up any more space for ducts.
Yes, that's true.
Simple as that. And so sometimes we receive projects where we say, okay, so you have no other option. I mean, if you want to condition the space, you need to use the panel, you need to use radiant. Because basically it's integrated in a like 1.5 inch of the space of your ceiling, and will be replacing a huge space that will need to be dedicated to ducts. So
yeah, I know as architects, some people, or myself, we have the tendency to just think of a floor slab as a floor slab, and that's it. You don't draw a foot down for your HVAC and your pipes and everything like that. So like you said, this would come in, will be a perfect solution in such instances where the architect just forgot to account for HVAC systems.